Guys, how's it going? Alright, so we're just going to do some small touches, then we're going to start with the quench. And we're going to finish it with the quench. All we're just doing right now is just going to straighten the blade a little bit. There. Blade straightened, then this is ready for the quench. Alright, so we're at quenching, so we're at forging temperature, so now we can move from there, now you can kind of see it. There we go. And, oh good, that's tempering temperature real quick, nice. That's what we want to see. First things first. Put some gloves on. And they're wet, so there's a little extra protection on there. Perfect. I did this last time. It fucking caught fire. That's never a good sign to see. That is never a good thing to hear. Yep. So one of the layers is popped right off. Shit. So one of the layers popped right off. It looks easy to fix. But we're going to temper it first, just to relax it. There. Now it's just going to relax. Next in the forge. And from there, it's just going to smoke on. There. Sorry, I had to put the bucket on the quench tank first because there's supposed to be like rain coming soon. And alright. Was there something else I was going to do? I don't think so. I think that was it for today. I think I already showed you my new angle steel. There I got for a pretty reasonable price. Since that one's so thin, I might try to make a rapier, and not similar to like this one, but not quite. Probably a little bit better. We'll see. Then once that's done, and I'll probably do a battle royale like old versus new, see how that works. Because I did a little bit of playing with this rapier, and it does cut fairly well now, so because I fixed the handle quite a bit, so it can cut.